Question number 34. Graph and label the functions y equal to absolute value of x and y equal to absolute value of 2x on the set of S's below. Explain how increasing the coefficients of x affects the graph of y equal to absolute value of x. For a question like this, the calculator won't help much. However, we could use it to see what the graph like and get the coordinates. From the main menu, by selecting table icon to get into this table function. Enter those two equations by the following keys: option, number, absolute, x, enter. Option, number, absolute, 2x, enter. To make them display differently, let's go back to Y2 to change the line style to a thick line by the following keys: up, style, thick lines, exit. Let it calculate and display that x is from 10 to -10 with step equal to -1 by the following keys: set 1, 0, enter, -1, 0, enter, -1, enter, enter, table. We can see the graph by the key G-connect. This is the graph of the functions. Now, let's go back to the table to get the coordinate by the key exit. The display shows a matrix that contains the coordinates from x equal to 10 down to -10. We then use the arrow key to find the numbers we need. 6 down arrow keys should take us to the place we want. We can use any xy pairs we want, but let's use x equal to 5, y equal to 5, and x equal to 4, y2 equal to 8 here. Copy these numbers to the paper. Again, move the table by 4 down arrow keys. We can see that when x equal to 0, both y1 and y2 equal to 0. Let's then move the table by down arrow keys 5 times to copy x equal to -5, y equal to 5, and x equal to -4, y2 equal to 8. Now we have all the coordinates. We need to graph the function. This is what the graph looks like from the calculator, but we still have to transfer the graph to the paper. The coordinates we can use from the calculator: y1 is the first equation, and y2 is the second equation. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0 for both equations. Because they are absolute values of x, the y values are still positive numbers. After we have all the coordinates we needed, we can start to draw the lines. Let's start from x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y equal to absolute value of 0, that equals 0. So we get a point at the coordinate 0, 0. Then the point 5, 5. Then the point -5, 5. Then we can draw two rays from the origin 0, 0 for the function y equal to absolute value of x and label it. For the function y equal to absolute value of 2x, we can do the same. The point 0, 0 is the same. The y equal to 8 when x equal to either positive or negative 4. Then draw two rays for the function y equal to absolute value of 2x and label it. This is the answer for the first part of the question. To answer the second part of the question, let's compare the functions above. When the coefficient of x changed from 1 to 2, the graph became narrower. So we can say that the graph will become narrower when the coefficient of x increased.